Most people use information systems and information technology like they mean the same thing. They don't. This confusion is one of the biggest reasons people misunderstand business technology. Information technology, or IT, is mainly about the tools, computers, servers, networks, software, cloud platforms, cybersecurity tools, and technical infrastructure. It answers questions like, what hardware do we need? What software should we use? How do we keep the network running? How do we secure the system? But information systems, or IS, is bigger than that. Information systems is about how technology, people, processes, and data work together to solve business problems and support decisions. It does not only ask, what technology are we using? It asks, how is this technology helping the business operate better? Think about a restaurant. The tablets, QR ordering app, Wi-Fi, payment machine, kitchen display screen, and cloud server. That is the IT side. But the full flow is information systems. A customer scans the QR code. The order goes to the kitchen. The cashier sees the bill. Inventory updates. The manager checks sales reports. Customer feedback is stored. The owner decides which items to promote next week. That entire chain from customer action to business decision is an information system. So the difference is simple. IT is the technology. IS is the complete system around the technology. IT is the tool. ES is how the tool creates value. For example, a CRM software is IT. But when the sales team uses that CRM to track leads, follow up with customers, study buying behavior, and improve retention, that becomes part of an information system. A database server is IT. But when that database stores customer records, sales history, employee information, stock levels, and feeds reports to managers, it becomes part of an information system. A cloud platform is IT. But when a company uses the cloud to connect branches, support remote teams, run dashboards, store transactions, and scale operations, that becomes an information system. This is why information systems sits between business and technology. IT people usually focus on building, maintaining, securing, and improving the technical tools. Information systems focuses on whether those tools are actually helping the organization make better decisions, reduce waste, serve customers faster, and compete in the market. And this is where many businesses fail. They spend money on expensive technology, but they do not build a proper information system around it. They buy software, but employees do not use it properly. They collect data, but no one analyzes it. They create dashboards, but managers ignore them. They install systems, but business processes remain messy. That is not digital transformation. That is just expensive decoration. A real information system works only when people, process, data, and technology are aligned. If the technology is strong, but the data is poor, the system fails. If the software is good, but employees are not trained, the system fails. If reports are available but managers do not use them, the system fails. If processes are broken, technology will only make the mess faster. That is the brutal truth. Technology alone does not fix a business. It only magnifies what already exists. A well-designed information system can make a good business faster, smarter, and more scalable. But a badly designed information system can make confusion spread even quicker. So when you hear the words information technology, think about the technical tools. But when you hear information systems, think about the full business engine: people, data, software, hardware, networks, processes, decisions, and outcomes working together. At the Learning Studio, the goal is not just to explain definitions. The goal is to help you think clearly. Because once you understand the difference between IT and IS, you stop judging technology by how modern it looks and start judging it by what business problem it actually solves.